Montgomery's Amory welcomes viewers to his magical farm on a bright sunny morning. As he sings, the audience is introduced to his two hair animal friends. A friendly cow dances in a flower-filled meadow, clucking chickens perform a fun parade. And a panther pig discovers a magical rainbow puddle next. A spirited horse races through the fields, while fluffy sheep bounce across a colorful rainbow meadow. At the enchanted pond, happy ducks splash and sing together.
As the song continues, all the animals gather for a grand musical celebration. Each animal contributes to the farm band, creating a joyful concert filled with music, laughter, and magical sparkles. The adventure ends with everyone coming together on a hill at sunset, waving goodbye as the farm glows under the evening sky.
Friendship, fun, music, teamwork, and discovering the magic of farm life through song and adventure.
Target audience,
Children ages 2,
safe